What's up guys, Demon Slayer today, the Mist Pillar close up from recent enough still image for the trailer for Season 3. If you're watching this in the future, obviously you know what Season 3 is, but right now it's January and Season 3 isn't out yet. So, liking the look of this character though. I'm on the landscape page, use a pencil eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So close up on him, arm coming across here, blade going behind his head. So we start with his eyes, right? And he's kind of in bit of a three-quarter pose. So start with the eye here. Center point of my page is about here, and this is where we're going to start for this eye. So we just do a curved line across like that, right? And Demon Slayer, they've got really thick eyelashes, right? So you got to like draw another section on top, right? And then there's like a little line that comes off that way, and another one that goes off that way. And then we'll color in here black. Right, so then the iris, right, just comes down from this circle, just coming down from there. And his pupil is just green, right? But I'll draw it in just so you have something to color. So it starts here. It's not drawn in with black line in the anime. It's just done with color. So, but we'll draw it in like that. And then we go across for the bottom eyelid and ticks up here. It's kind of like this sort of V sort of shape. You want to just thicken up the middle a little bit. And he's got like kind of stress line just there. Line for his nose here. And we can't really see an eyelid line, it goes under his hair, but we'll draw it in anyway. So you can see a little bit of it. Okay, so we'll go over, just start the other eye, just here. So you're about half an eye width. The distance between the two eyelid lines. It's probably about his iris, the width of his iris. Okay, we'll fit in between. Demon Slayer have bigger eyes than standard human proportion. So you just curve a line over. You notice this one is a little bit bigger because we're in three-quarter pose. So that means his head is turned away on this side. So you have to do this eye like looking a little bit smaller than this one. It's kind of like an illusion. You just draw this one a little bit shorter than that one, right? So this one will be longer than this one. We go up again. So you just color this black. And then again, we've got like skinny lines that come across from the corners. And then we'll do an iris, another half or semicircle, just coming down from the top eyelid. Like so. And again, I'll draw in the green section, just so we know where to color. Okay, and then bottom eyelid line, just this sort of long V on that way, and we just darken up the center of this a little bit, just make it a little pointier, a little thicker in the middle, and then texture lines on the eyes like so. Eyelid line. And we can actually see his eyebrow on this side, so it just goes, most of it's covered by hair. And then we just do the other side. You can color this black as well, I think. Okay, nose. So in Demon Slayer, they just do these sort of hatching lines on the bridge of the nose, and then we can see like a nostril sort of line there, and a smaller one just there. So his mouth is kind of semi-open, right? So we just bring a line across like this first. Okay, so that's closed. But to open it up, right, we'll just go across the top. I think I need a different pen. Across the top, down. And then it goes back up and back down into there. Okay, so it kind of looks like it's a little bit open. You put a little shadow in the corner. Make it look like he's got teeth. And then he's got a shadow underneath his bottom lip. Like so. Now, so can't see his chin, right? So we can just see his shoulder. To brighten my image up a little bit because it's quite dark. Still doesn't make a difference. Great. Where's his shoulder going? Is that his hair? Okay, sorry now, talking to myself. So looks like his shoulder line just goes across his chin here. All right, and then it goes down off the page that way, right? Okay, and then you have another fold line for his arm going this way. Yeah, and then this will go like up here. So this is his big sleeve, right? So all these wrinkle lines and folds like that. So his jawline and stuff will come out from here, right? So we go, let's say, jawline coming up this way. About there. Okay, and then the side of his face comes out here. Like so. So we see his cheekbone on this side. Right, so it's kind of like coming down. That. And then his other jawbone there. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so then his hair and his collar and his fringe and all that kind of stuff. So we go. Yeah, so we just got these like hair spikes here. His fringe. So his fringe kind of goes up and in. And then another one here. All right, and another one goes across his face here. And then another one touches the other eye that way. And then this will go up this way. Like another line, say here. This goes all the way up to the top of his head, I think. Goes off my page because we're close up on his face. And then another spike here. Another one here. Right, and then he's got like a long piece that comes down across his head and behind his shoulder. So it looks like it just goes off this way. And another piece goes down there. And then in here we have his white collar. And we can see some of his ear. And then another long piece of hair going off that way. Maybe we can see some of his, the top of his ear, like in here maybe. So then the rest of his hair, just top of his head comes down. This goes down like so, and then off the page. And then there's like just a It looks like a big black shadow here, but we got like some texture lines inside. Goes up that way. Right, and then the other side of his head here, spiking out, down, down. And then like this long piece of hair goes down that way. And then like comes out this way. And we got like some green in here. Can't really see much else, just like some shoulder lines and stuff in there. Okay, so his hand is holding his sword, right? So we can just see his wrist coming out from his sleeve here. And then it comes up the side and we have fingers. We got like a knuckle there, and then little finger, ring finger, middle finger, and then index. That and the side of it, so it bumps down towards the thumb and around. The thumb has disappeared obviously behind that, and then you got like some knuckle lines. And the rest of the handle of his sword goes this way. Then we have the hilt and the rest that goes in behind his head. So we've got like a little rectangle that sticks up here. So, and then the bottom of that is around there. Right, and then we have the base of this. And another layer. And then the sword itself going in behind his head. This is like a straight line there, and then this will go boom, and then that center line goes that way. Right, and then you just add some color. So that's it, the Mist Hashira. Hope it's helpful, close up. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Wait. Another line here, sorry. It's like his shoulder on the other side. Okay, now I'm done. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, bye.